Welcome back to AETOS Learning. This is Venkat, and in today's session, I'm going to show you how to use Debit Note voucher. As part of the business routine, we buy and sell products. Sometimes we return products too. When we purchase products, we make entry in Tally using purchase voucher. Similarly, when we return products due to various reasons, such as damage, wrong item received, etc., we make return entry as well. Those purchase return entries are made with Debit Note. Before you make an entry, make sure you have the original reference number of the purchase. Please do not skip the video. Let me show you step by step on how to make Debit Note entry in Tally ERP 9. Before you make purchase return entry, you need to enable Debit Note option. Let me show you how. First, press F11 and choose Inventory Features. And after you choose Inventory Feature, now you can see all the features related to inventory and enable the Debit Note under Invoicing. After you enable the Debit Note option, now press Ctrl+A to save those changes. From Gateway of Tally, go to Display and Daybook. Now you can see various entries that are made in Tally along with one purchase entry. Press Enter on that entry so that it takes you to the screen where you can view the original reference number. Make a note of the reference number. In my case, the reference number is 202. From Gateway of Tally, go to Accounting Vouchers and choose Debit Note from the side menu. And after you choose the Debit Note, now you can see the Debit Note screen, and on that screen you need to enter the original reference number. In my case, the original reference number is 202, so we enter that and then press Enter. Now you need to enter the party account name. I'll tell you the party account name, which is nothing but cash in my case. Reason being, it was actually a cash purchase, so I choose cash. And then press Enter. Now you need to choose the item which you're planning to return. Now in my case, the return item is Rava, and 10 kilo is the quantity which I'm planning to return. I bought 10 kilos and I'm returning the entire 10 kilos. Alright, and after that press Enter. Now you need to choose the ledger. Out here the case is, in my case it is purchase ledger. And then after you choose the purchase ledger, press Enter. And then when you come back to the debit note screen, press Ctrl+A to save this entry. Alright, now just to validate whether we have correctly posted the entry in Tally or not, follow these steps. From Gateway of Tally, go to Display and choose Daybook, and after you choose Daybook, you can see all the entries which are being posted, and you can also see there's one purchase entry and there's one debit note entry. In the purchase entry, you can see 350 on the credit side. The debit note entry, you can see 350 on the debit side, which means that we have purchased that time, the cash has gone out. When we have returned the product, the cash has not come back to us. So the entry is right. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. I'll see you in another video. Until then, keep learning. Thank you for joining me.